What is up? What is up? What is up? Let's get this cold start. Hey, stay out of this. No, there's no more snacks. Start, baby. Yeah. Oh, she's a bad Dusty. What them girls be talking about is they don't want no Dusty. I'll take this Dusty any day. So, well, trying to get her out of the garage. Spent a lot of time at work this week trying to finish this project, man, and it is coming along. I'm almost finished. The last day is tomorrow, and I'm just sad because I haven't gotten to ride the Suzuki as much as I've wanted to, and before I leave on my trip. So I'm headed out to Trinidad in a couple days, like a day and a half, and I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks. Now most people would be like, yo, 2 weeks is dope in Trinidad, that's crazy. And while it is gonna be a good trip, it just makes me a little sad because some of the things that are going to be happening while I'm gone, I'm not going to be able to be here for. My wife is going to be having surgery, although it's not major surgery, it is surgery. You know, that always carries a risk, and I'm just not going to be here. My mother-in-law will be here, my mom, and them will eventually be here to help her out while we're gone, while I'm gone. While my other daughter has a FIFA tournament while she'll be playing in Trinidad. So I'll be going to that. And yeah, man. So, you know, I've said a lot of things. I've said a lot of things about the bike, about the new 2026 coming out, and you know, it's hard to hate on this bike. You know what I mean? I don't hate this bike one bit. I just really, and you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I have absolutely no idea how they would have made this bike better as far as like the looks go. but I just thought I was going to see something different, something new, and didn't see it. And so, you know, it kind of disappoints me, but it's still a great bike. And, you know, it is what it is, man. 2026 looks like it's a decent contender. I don't know how much it's going to cost. I would certainly say if it's going to cost more, in my opinion, I don't think it would be worth it in the long run when there's other bikes out there that offer just as much as this one does. I will say, though, that it's still a great budget bike if you're looking to get into the 1000cc class without spending $30,000. Definitely worth it. This thing is starting to come off a little bit. I need to retighten that shit down. But worth every penny, man. Worth every penny. So hopefully everybody doesn't, you know, people don't take it the wrong way. It's just as simple as, you know, I know other people out there can say the same thing about Kawasaki. I know a lot of people have been saying things about like the H2 hasn't changed since 2015, and everybody's looking forward to new changes, and it's just not happening. But you know, Kawasaki has a range of bikes that, you know, it is what it is, man. Manufacturers are going to innovate, but they're just not going to change things so often as we would like. As far as the new bike goes, I'm still pretty much locked in on Aprilia right now. I feel like that was going to give me the best bang for my upgrade buck. With the newer ones, they offer everything that I want, more power. I don't even know if I'd ever use it. I doubt it, but it just gives me more. It's better to have more power than to have not enough, you know, than to be asking for it. But man, you don't need anything else but this. And I'm not in a rush. I'm still not even sure if I'm going to keep this or trade it in, or like I said, just keep it and get another bike. Time will tell. I got to start working again. Hopefully that'll be as soon as I get back from the Trinidad trip. I'll be able to start like really locking down some jobs, and then that will accelerate what my options are going to be at that time. So until then, I'm enjoying the hell out of this thing, and I'll continue to stand by it, man. You know what I mean? The only time it's been to the shop is because I wanted upgrades and maintenance. That's about it. At no point in time did it ever fail me, or has it failed me. So such a sweet bike. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get some miles in. I'll be able to get some miles in before the trip. Gotta watch out for all this gravel. amazing, dude.